Next at 11, a mother exposes a pair of crooks taking advantage of your generosity.
The money is gone.
The GoFundMe for a sick baby that ended up being a scam.
A GoFundMe account raised $2,000 for a sick baby in Linwood, but the boy's mother says she never received the cash.
Tonight, she's warning others that the pair behind the account have criminal records, and they're cashing in on your goodwill. KIRO 7's Deborah Horn has our story.
Disgusted that someone would take advantage of a situation like this for their own benefit.
Laura Langang's son, Lucas, was born with a congenital heart condition. She shared the difficult news with an online parents group. One parent, Crystal Lynn Seeley, asked if she could set up a GoFundMe account for them.
Us in the middle of our chaos, so it was like, okay, that's fine.
Soon afterwards, Lucas had life-saving heart surgery. Then, about 3 weeks ago, she thanked Seeley and asked for the money.
It's been excuse after excuse of why we haven't been able to get the money from them.
Then Seeley blocked her on social media, so she contacted Seeley's partner, Jennifer Biasi. Biasi offered up excuses too. Finally, Langang contacted GoFundMe, and their fraud investigators told her
Jennifer was listed as the beneficiary for all of the money.
Indeed, their records show Biasi withdrew the money in 3 increments in January, nearly $2,000.
And we have seen zero funds.
We did our own investigation. We found these mugshots of Biasi and Seeley online for serving time for fraud in other states.
Know who you're giving money to is the main point.
We asked longtime criminal investigator Jim Fuda how not to become a victim.
Pay attention to who you're giving to and give to a reputable cause.
Langang thought her friend was reputable.
To pick on people that are already going through something, it takes a pretty special breed of evil.
She has reported the case to the local authorities as well as the FBI. She believes the two women may be living together in Kentucky. She says Seeley also is sponsoring several other GoFundMe accounts, and she can't help wondering what is happening to that money too. Reporting in Seattle, Deborah Horn, KIRO 7 News.
Well, tonight, the Royal Archmasons Children's Heart Foundation, a group that helps families with kids with congenital heart defects, has pledged to help the Langangs.